Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on a Land Rover dash remote. This was mainly used for models starting from 2007 up until 2012. So to start with, we'll have to remove the key, the emergency plate, with the push of a button. And so you have to do it simultaneously. You push the button and you push the key up. The emergency blade comes out. After that, you can use the key and you can press inside on the case and you will click the case open. Once you have it opened, you can see here the battery. In our case, the CR2032. We have replaced already the battery. We have a new battery in place, but again, with the help of a small flathead screwdriver, you can release the battery from its position. When put back into place, please make sure you put the positive side up for the battery, and then you put the back of the case. It clicks together, and then you can add the emergency blade on. And it goes back into the position here. Okay, so your key is now ready to go, and this would be for the Land Rover dash remote key from 2007 up to 2012. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.